Sam Bankman-Fried, a name that you might not know just yet, but this name will probably go down in history for a very long time, at least in the world of personal finance and especially cryptocurrency. This man alone has just bailed out BlockFi and Voyager, two crypto trading platforms at the same time, basically with his hands behind his back, saying, here's a couple $100 million. Here's a couple $100 million. I will see you guys later. Don't forget to pay me back. So what is going on in the crypto space? Why is crypto tanking so hard? And why are all of these trading platforms for crypto going under or needing bailout from secret Bruce Wayne type figures? I am Georgie Roykman. I'm a BCBA, a board certified behavior analyst, and I am also an investor in stocks, crypto, alternative assets like Pokemon cards, etc., etc. I am very passionate about investing, and I am on my journey to retire early or live a work optional life. Now, if you want to learn how to live your own work optional life, follow this page, follow this channel for more information, and I am sure you will receive your value's worth. Now, with that being said, let's talk about what is happening in the crypto space. So right now, Voyager lent a lot of money out to Three Arrows. Now, Three Arrows is a crypto trading platform as well that had, unfortunately, a huge exposure to the Terra Luna situation where a stablecoin got depegged from the dollar, meaning it's supposed to be this non-investment vehicle for parking money for crypto traders. So say you sell your Bitcoin for 30,000 and you want to wait for the market to crash a little bit. You would park it in this stable coin and just wait. It would not go up, it would not go down, and you might be paid a little bit of interest for simply holding that stable coin. It was all good until it wasn't. Now, there were multiple variables that played a role here, and not everything is super clear. There's definitely a lot of conspiracy theories. We will go into one of them and how Celsius might be being punished for protecting their own customers. So let's go a little bit deeper in this. Voyager basically is not getting their money back. Hundreds of millions of dollars that they lent out to this other crypto trading platform. All of these platforms are connected in one way or another, kind of insuring themselves and creating this ecosystem of, hey, if something goes wrong with us, it's going to happen to you next. So if I need help, you better help me. So right now we are seeing exactly this with big Bruce Wayne type crypto characters like Sam Friedman, and he is actually bailing out companies that are his opposition. And with this being said, he is actually protecting his own interest here, because if something happens to Voyager and BlockFi after Celsius's run, we are going to see some huge problems when it comes to the price of cryptocurrencies. Now, that might be a great opportunity to buy more if tragedy does happen, but that does mean that someone is losing big on the other side. So if you're new to crypto, welcome. You could not have joined in at a better time to start averaging into some positions. Now, what happened with Celsius and why am I out about all of my early crypto? Well, because I kept it on the Celsius platform to gather the interest that they're paying out. And it was a very healthy interest. I can't lie, I was very tempted by it, but I was kind of very, very sure in them. I liked their leadership. I liked Alex Mashinsky. I follow him. I have people that I know very, very well that met up with him in person and saw his passion and enthusiasm for this crypto kind of age that the humanity has entered in. That being said, I think that it is very sad that Celsius right now is most likely going under. Now, we will see. We see forces like Goldman Sachs making potential buyout offers. Now, I don't know what that means for people who have been holding their crypto on Celsius, but it is never good to have your funds, have your investments in the hands of someone else. I was actually a part of this, and now I'm kind of in limbo too with my investments. But because the market has fallen so much, this is the first time we've seen prices like this since 2018, 2017. I am buying in. I am averaging in There's a lot of people who believe that I am a fool for doing this. They are screaming, "Hey man, the sky is fallen. You got to wait until it really crashes down to earth." But I believe that when a majority of people are talking this way, by the time that there's articles from Yahoo Finances saying that, hey, Bitcoin may bottom at 12,000, I think that the bottom has already occurred. Now, I think does not mean that I believe the same thing. I'm actually really, really hoping that the bottom is still to come so I could buy these precious assets like Bitcoin, especially Ethereum, at even cheaper prices. But I'm not willing to wait. The train may just leave without me, may just leave without you. So I am continuing to average in just a little bit harder than I did before and a lot more systemically. I am basically investing $5 a day. That's right, $5 a day into cryptocurrency with one lump sum investment into Ethereum of $1,100. Now, every time I get extra money coming my way, I will throw $20 all the way to $100 into more Ethereum. This does not get in the way of my main investing strategy, which is buying index funds every single month, no matter what. So I am in no shape or form investing less in my original investing strategy. I am only adding more. If I don't have the funds to do that, then I do have to miss out. So I'm working very hard to get as much money as possible to buy even more cryptocurrencies during this crash. So what does this mean for you and the average cryptocurrency investor? Where should you keep your crypto? What should you do with it? Well, I believe the easiest step is to take it into what's known as a hot wallet. So this is a wallet that is still connected to the internet. So there are still risks. You could get hacked. Someone might log into your computer and find it there. They might hack your email account and somehow have access to it, although it is very difficult to do that without your 16 or rather 12 to 24 letter code that protects you to a certain degree. Now, after, at least this is my plan, after I have 5 figures in crypto, I actually reached that point. I remember hitting $15,000 during the last bull run after investing only $5,000 to $6,000, basically tripling my money just by pure growth. I do regret not investing on the way up. So what I'm doing this time is investing through it. Now, once I reach that 5-figure point in cryptocurrency, once again, my plan is to invest about $100 to $200 into a ledger, a little USB port, which will allow me to store my crypto off the grid, cold storage. Very difficult to mess up unless you forget your own passcodes, then you're kind of fudged. But this way, I believe that your crypto is safe. But for just getting started, and if you're investing a few $100s here and there, or even $50 here and there, I would recommend starting with the Voyager platform, which just got bailed out. I think that their promo right now is great for raising more capital. They're basically breaking even here and getting more and more people involved in their platform. What they're doing is when you invest $100, they will give you $50. And they will give the other person $50. So this is a great side hustle opportunity. If you have loved ones who have at least $100 that they want to experiment with crypto with, you could get paid $50 for it, and they could get paid $50 for it. That is on the Voyager platform. The link is in the description and probably in the comments. If you enjoyed this crypto news, I will see you next time.